Let's learn how to use the Japanese keyboard. First, know where the vowels are. Every key starts as the vowel A. Swipe left to get the vowel E, swipe up to get the vowel U, swipe right to get the vowel E, and down to get the vowel O. It's A-I-U-E-O. All the other keys have the same setup. For example, hit the button to get Ka, swipe left to get Ki, swipe up to get Ku, swipe right to get Ke, and down to get Ko. Then there are a few irregular characters you might want to type. For Wa, you'll click where you'd expect for any other A vowel. If you swipe left from Wa, you can get O, you can swipe up to get N, you can swipe right to get a bar, which is how you represent a long vowel in Japanese. Ya is just above Wa, and is also a little weird. Similar to before, you swipe up to get the U vowel, U, and down to get the O vowel, Yo. Swiping left or right will give you the Japanese quotation marks. If you need to type a Dakuten character, you type the base character you want first. For example, if you want za, you'll type sa first and then click in the lower left. This adds the Dakuten, and now it's za. You can do the same for any of the Dakuten characters. Sandaktan is almost the same as Dakuten. You need to type the base character first. If you want P, you'll type Hi first and then click in the same button twice. This adds a circle and you've got a P. To get small characters, like you would use in the word mecha, you type the character you want to be small, in this case, tsu, and tap the same button as you did for the last two until the character shrinks. Type the word you need in hiragana, and across the top, you'll see suggestions for kanji or katakana. Sometimes to get the suggestion you want, you'll need to hit the little arrow to pull down more options. To get a comma, you click the punctuation button once. You swipe left for a period, up for a question mark, and right for an exclamation mark. Spaces are rarely used in Japanese, but you can find the space key under the backspace button if you're really desperate. The enter key can be found in the lower right. The best part about the Japanese keyboard? Emoticon. That's right, the Japanese keyboard ships with its own emoticon button. Click here for the default, or click the little arrow on the right to get even more options.